A very good morning to my dear children. Today, in our online class, we shall start with lesson number 3, which is classification of business activities. Business activities is divided into industry and commerce. In industry, production of goods take place, whereas in commerce, distribution of goods is done. But what is industry? As I just mentioned that in industry, production of goods is done, but with the application of human and mechanical power. They change the form of goods from any stage, that is from raw material to the finished product. In industry, both consumer goods and producer goods are produced. Therefore, industry is responsible for creating utilities so that human wants can be satisfied and profits can be earned by the industry. The basic features of industry is: first, it is an economic activity. The reason it is an economic activity is that the main motive behind an industry is to earn living and to create wealth. Second, production. Third, wide scope. Due to advancement in technology and science, the horizon of industry has expanded. Industry is basically responsible for the creation of utility, that is time, place, form and possession. Industry helps in the economy to develop. Industry is part of business because it gives rise to other business activities such as trade and aids to trade. Now, industry has further been classified on the basis of activity and on the basis of size. On the basis of activity, industry is classified into primary industry and secondary industry. Primary industry are those industries which provide raw material from natural resources like genetic industry and extractive industry. As I just said that primary industry is responsible to provide raw materials to industry for production of goods. But from where does primary industry gets raw material? First is genetic industry. These industries are concerned with breeding of certain species of plant and animals with the object of earning profits from their sale. Extractive industry. Extractive industry are engaged in extracting useful material from soil, air, water and from beneath earth's surface. Produce may be used as a finished product or as a raw material. Therefore, raw material provided by extractive industry are basically gift by the nature. Second is secondary industry. Raw materials provided by the primary industry is used by the secondary industry for production purpose. First is manufacturing industry. This industry is concerned with the processing or transformation of raw material and semi-finished product into finished product. They basically create firm utility. Second is construction industry. These industries are engaged in construction, erection and fabrication of buildings, bridges and roads. They utilize the product of manufacturing industry. The product of this industry cannot be taken physically to the market for sale and remains fixed at one place. Industry is further classified on the basis of size or scale of operation. This constitutes tertiary industry. These industries provide support services to the primary and secondary industry in the form of transportation, banking, insurance, warehousing, and so on. In tertiary industries, we have heavy industry and light industry. Heavy industry use sophisticated technology and produce capital goods, whereas light industry produce consumer goods. Under the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act 2006, the above types of industries are further classified into micro unit, small unit, medium unit, and large unit. In these units, investment up to rupees 25 lakh in case of manufacturing and up to rupees 10 lakh in case of service firm constitutes micro unit, and investment in manufacturing more than 25 lakh but does not exceed 5 crore, and in service firm the limit is between 10 lakh and 2 crore, then this industry constitutes small unit. In medium unit, investment in manufacturing is more than 5 crore but does not exceed 10 crore, whereas in service unit the limit is 2 crore or 5 crore. And last, in large unit, investment in manufacturing industry exceeds 10 crore and in service exceeds 5 crore. Thank you.